Sammsen Machinery Company, high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service, with 2 production bases. Driven by technological innovation, Sammsen has built a professional R&D team and advanced research facilities, continuously exploring the future of industrial technology. With more than 100 patents, including 26 invention patents, 77 utility model patents, 8 design patents, and 12 software copyrights. Quality is the foundation of our development. From raw materials and production processes to assembly and final inspection, every step is strictly controlled to ensure stable performance and reliable quality of every machine. Sammsen specializes in drying equipment and dry mortar production equipment, widely used in construction, metallurgy, mining, and new material industries. Based on different materials and production requirements, we provide cost-effective and customized solutions. Guided by our mission of helping customers achieve their dreams with competitive solutions, our products have been exported to more than 60 countries worldwide. Sammsen will continue to innovate and provide intelligent integrated solutions for the drying and mortar industries.